Children, let me quickly remind you the mod and the div function. So most of you might already know this, but I have seen most of you still do some mistakes here. You confuses these two functions, the mod and div. So children, mod means the module or modulus function, right? Div means integer division. Now what happens in these two functions is, children, you should divide a number, right? You should divide a number as much as possible using whole numbers, and you should stop when it starts moving to the decimal side or the fractional part. You should stop there. So let me give you an example. If you take the number 20 and let's take a real life situation this way. We have 20 slices of pizza, right? There are 20 slices of pizza. So we need to distribute these 20 slices between 8 people. And we should make sure, children, we are not going to give excess to a person, or else simply we should equally give them. The 8 people, we should equally give them. So if it is so, children, if I divide the number 20 by 8, we are going to get 2 here, which is going to be 16. You will be getting 4 as the remainder. So you can keep a decimal point here, and which is going to be 40. For 40, you will be having 5. So which means no remainders. So it simply means, children, if I divide 20 by 8, I'll be getting 2.5. So a person could have 2 slices and another half, 2.5 slices of pizza. So this is the normal division, right? But what happens in div and mod is, children, we only consider the decimal part. That means we are going to stop from here, right? So if I divide 20 by 8, and if I only gonna consider the whole part, it's going to be 2 and 16. So 4 will remain. I should not move further. If I move further, children, I am going to make the result a fraction, or else it's going to have a decimal value there, right? But I don't want that to happen. That is how this works. And if we consider the div and the mod function here, 20 div 8 means, children, divide 20 by 8 and consider the result only the whole part. Right, we are going to ignore the decimal or the fractional part. So the answer is going to be 2. So simply this is div.